It has ultra-low profile tires on wide alloy wheels. It has a 2.8-litre fuel-injected engine. It's built by Ford, and it goes like... The new Ford Capri 2.8 injection. It goes like...
Your hair looks beautiful when it's just been washed. With new INFA-SOFT baby shampoo, you could wash it every single day. Because INFA-SOFT is a baby shampoo that conditions your hair while it gently cleans it, keeping the healthy-looking shine that frequent washing can take out. New INFA-SOFT baby shampoo from Milton. Now you can wash your hair every day without harming a hair of your head.
Step ahead with a paste cement. Enjoy the taste of this chewy spearmint. Be surprised by its stripes of peppermint. Step ahead with a paste of mint.
Pacer's delicious chewy spearmint that's peppermint striped for 2-mint freshness.
Be surprised by its stripes of peppermint. Step ahead with a paste of mint.
Peppermint striped for 2-mint freshness.
The Condor moment. There's no other moment like it.
Oh!
It's a revelation.
FRUTIFORT is the original Swiss recipe muesli, made from 9 wholesome, natural ingredients. For goodness sake, choose FRUTIFORT. Available from good food shops.
I am the captain of the fish finger.
Your captain that I do.
And be it understood, they're very, very good. Now bigger and thicker right through.
What bigger?
Yes, bigger.
What thicker?
Yes, really thicker.
There's more cod in, it's true. So shout hooray and give 3 cheers.
You birdseye bigger, better fish fingers. Yes, they're really bigger.
Draft Lowenbrau. What an inspired idea. Is she or isn't she?
Harmony has an ultra-fine spray to leave hair softer and more natural. She is wearing a hairspray, but with Harmony, it's so fine, you're the only one that knows for sure.